Here in this video, we will show you how to check billing report and income analysis in WHMCS. If you would like to check various reports related to billing and invoices, then in that case, first of all, log into your WHMCS admin dashboard and then go to report section. Now here under reports, you will find several types of reports. You can check daily performance, income forecast, annual income report or other details from here. First of all, let us check daily performance. So, click over daily performance and then from here we will find several details related to sales, completed orders, invoices, open tickets as well as cancellation request. Now if you go to income forecast, which is given under report section, here you will find all the details related to income. You can check your monthly or annual income from here. This can also forecast your future income on the basis of your previous sales or previous transactions. Now if you go to annual income report under reports, then you will find all the details related to annual transaction history. This contains previous 1 year statement related to the report of transactions. Now, if you go to new customer, then you will find the report related to new sign-ups. Here you can check how many new sign-ups or new customers have recently joined you. Now finally, if you click over more, you will find several other reports related to general billing, income, clients, support and export. You can also export each and every report one by one or with any type of invoices related to aging credits or anything else. You can also check sales by product for a particular month. This will also help you to forecast different types of financial related activities. Please subscribe to our channel if you have still not subscribed. If you would like to host your WHMCS website with a reliable hosting provider, then redserverhost.com is the best option for you.